Hello students, learn today how to prove the trigonometrical identity like such that here is the question to prove. Prove under root 1 plus sine theta divided by 1 minus sine theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. This is called left hand side, and you have to prove that right hand side. So in trigonometrical identity, you can start from left hand side and reach to right hand side, proving is complete. If you start with right hand side, come to the left hand side, then also proving is complete. Sometimes you learn that if the left hand side proceeds up to some level and keep it as it is, then start from right hand side, again come to such a point that the left hand side and right hand side is all equal. Then also the identity will be proved. In this case, I am starting with the left hand side. Left hand side. First of all, you keep this 1 plus sine theta divided by 1 minus sine theta. This is in the question. So, you keep this square root of numerator and denominator and rationalize this 1 minus sine theta with changing the side, that is known as the conjugate of the denominator. Here it is minus, you should put here 1 plus same thing sine theta. As you have given in the denominator, you should also apply on the numerator same multiplication value 1 plus sine theta. Understand? Now, keep this. This is important procedure I am teaching you. This square root do not remove just now. Here you see there is, suppose this is A minus this is B, and this is again A multiplication plus B. You know this identity, A minus B, A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. This is important relationship. With this help, we can write this denominator first. A square minus B square. 1 square is always 1. Minus, this minus will come here. B square sine square theta. So, and the above numerator 1 plus sine theta, and same two things are multiplied. So, you should write 1 plus sine theta 2 times whole square. Here you see there is a square root and here is square. Now, we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is very important relationship. If this sine will go that side, see here cos square theta will be 1 minus sine square theta. With this help, you can write, keep this under root also in this question. 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta. Clear? And the above is 1 plus in a numerator sine theta whole square. Now, this square root is on the numerator as well as denominator in the question. So, a square root and a square will cancel out, and here you will get 1 plus sine theta divided by only cos theta. This squares will cancel with this which was in the question. Now, here two things are divided by a common thing cos. So, you are right, 1 divided by cos theta plus this plus, here it is sine theta divided by cos theta. Now, you know that 1 by cos theta is sec theta. This identity you should understand. 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta plus sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta RHS proved. Very important question. This is very important question. Generally asked in the examination. This square root is important in this question. Right side, no square root. This side sine and these are sec and tan. So in proving, we have to bring this in the form of this by some trigonometrical relationship with formulas. So first of all, mathematical rationalization has been used. This is a plus b, a minus b, a square, b square. Then this formula will give you 1 minus sin square is equal to cos square. Within this square root, these two will cancel and then divide both. It will come. You should write here sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta and tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. These two important, and this with all this we have proved this in the RHS value LHS. Thank you very much. Let us see that there is a question of proving of trigonometry. The question is like this. Tan theta, if tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m and tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n, you have to prove m square minus n square is equal to 4 under root m into n. This is the question. Let us start how to prove this trigonometrical question. First of all, see here that proving says that m square minus n square is equal to this much. So starting for this, let m square minus n square, what we can write? If this left hand side of proving is starting with m square minus n square. What is m? Here it is m. So put this value tan theta plus sin theta. Okay, that it is square, m square. M square will be whole square of this minus m square n square. So for n square, tan theta minus sin theta whole square is okay. M square minus n square for these two, and for m value tan theta plus sin theta square minus n tan theta minus sin theta whole square. Now here see a square minus b square. You can write here a plus b into a minus b. A plus b tan theta plus sin theta. A plus will not require to change this sign, important. Tan theta minus sin theta. A plus b into a minus b. Tan theta plus sin theta. A minus will make this sign change. Minus tan theta plus sin theta. This is important. A plus b, a square minus b square to a plus b into a minus b. So, if sin theta plus and sin theta minus will be cancelled. And here, tan theta will be cancelled. So, what will left? Tan theta plus tan theta. 2 tan theta. Into 2 sin theta. Agree? Sin theta plus sin theta, 2 sin theta. And this will become 4 tan theta into sin theta. Keep it as it is, making in one equation of LHS. Understand m square n square, squaring these values and we get 4 tan theta into sin theta. Now you try to start with this RHS. RHS. LHS will come up to this. This is important. Now for this question, start from RHS. RHS will be 4 times under root m into n. Put this value 4 square root mn. What is tan theta plus sin theta? M into n n will be tan theta minus sin theta. Okay, now here it is a plus b, a minus b, so we can write 4 under root a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b, tan square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Now keep 4 as it is. Change this tan square theta into sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta by 1. Okay. Now sin square theta take common. So it will come 4 under root sin square theta 1 by cos square theta minus 1. Is it? Sin square theta has been taken common. Then this becomes 1 by cos square theta minus 1. Now here sin square theta and square root will become only 4 and sin theta. And under root 1 by cos square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 by cos is sec, square is sec, minus 1. Understand? Sec square theta minus 1. Now, there is sec square theta minus tan square theta is this formula you must remember. So, with the help of this, sec square theta minus sec square theta, this come minus here. Here you will get tan square theta. Apply this here. So it will come 4 sin theta under root tan square theta. So square root and this will be cancelled. So 4 sin theta into tan theta. See here LHS 4 tan theta. You can write in a product this form. 4 tan theta, this tan theta into sin theta. So this is your RHS. R, the value of now, very important is, you are seeing here that 4 tan theta into sin theta of this value, here it is. And this is, we have started with RHS and come to the same. So this is one of the also very good practice to prove some critical questions, bringing left hand side to some value and again bringing RHS value to the same value. So therefore, you can write LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. Thank you.